Hi guys, so this is Jolene Crosses and thank you for all your good response towards having online class during this circuit breaker period, and I really appreciate that. So today we are going to start with a really simple choreo. It's only 4/8, pretty short to be honest. When I look at timing, it's only like less than 20 seconds or around there. Today's dance will be a bit more towards girl style, street jazz, and we are going to do to the song Lipa, Don't Start Now. I always think it's Don't Stop Now, I don't know why. But anyway, don't stop, whatever. Okay, so it's Lipa's Don't Start Now. So if you are ready to dance with me, you can do it together at the same time, or you can watch, learn it, and then after that you video yourself or just have fun. Alright? Don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't stop caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to? Okay, we are going to start right now. Pardon me without any shoes because I'm at home and I don't want my parents to be screaming at me for wearing shoes in the house. But anyway, so firstly, we are doing to the chorus, by the way. So it is on the Don't Start Now. So don't is on 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so this is already mirrored for you guys. So this is your right hand. Don't. Okay, step your right leg back at the same time and hit on your knees together. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from here, left leg is going to step and right hand is going to release. Step forward and gonna go tap up on 2. Tiptoe if you can. We try again. 5, 6, 7. Don't start. So chest slightly out and up. 2. Then from here, I think I have a bit of no space. Okay, from here, 2. Your right hand is gonna punch in, left hand up. Bend and crouch. Stomach in. And now left leg gonna replace right leg up. So this is again 1. Alright, and then now we are gonna go to start. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, from here, really simple. Right leg is gonna go towards the mirror or your camera or towards me. Hands gonna sprinkle around your crown area and go 5, 6, 7. And go 5, 6. Hands gonna release, sprinkle, hit, drag, 8, and okay. We try again. 5, 6 from the top. 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sprinkle 5, 6. At your crown. 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is on the next string of words. It's on like don't start something. Okay, so 8 and okay, then from here is 8, hands up, chin up, chest up, 8, and we do it one more time. So from 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, double 4, sprinkle 6, 7, walk back, right leg, 8, and from here you're on a single count, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and body weight drop, bring it up, drop, bring it up, drop, bring it up. Now if you want, you can twist on your left leg. For me, I find it a bit easier, so make sure you're not standing in the cross of the tiles, because if not, you're gonna have a lot of dead skin cells there. But anyway, so down. Okay, so your hands are gonna go 1, 8, and drop. 1 and 2, and now your hands gonna go up. 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so this is left hand is on square for forehead. 5, 6. Gonna roll both hands to the left. 7. This is on the third part, so it's the 5. 5 is down, up on 6, release on 7. Alright, so this is on then release your butt to the right. Boom. This is on walk, that, walk away, don't come now, something like that. Okay, so from here, start, da 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 da, walk, so push yourself forward with your hips, walk away. So you only gonna wave when you're gonna step your right leg. So roll, left, wave, okay? Alright, for the wave, just imagine you have an Oreo on your forehead and you want to dip it into the milk. The floor is the milk. And go down. And now you want to save the Oreo first, bring it up. So walk away. From here, left leg on a step. You know how. Okay, so from here, 5, 6, and 7. Alright, then from here, 8, away. You know how. Step left leg. You know how. Alright, very last 8. Last 8 is after you go, walk away, left, right release. Okay, if you can later on, you can do a little hip roll together at the same time. So you know how. Then from here, don't start caring about me now. Okay, so from here, you're gonna step over. Don't start. So don't start caring. This is a bit faster. Don't start caring about me now. Something like that. Okay, so from here, you're gonna go. Don't start caring about me. There's a little pause and then go. About me. Slightly body weight up. About me. No. Sudden. Ta ta sha. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg forward. Don't start caring about me now. Alright. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and the 4. Sprinkle 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And gonna go down. Ta da 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 da. This is a 5, 6, and 7, 8. So hands drop also. 8. Walk away. You know how. Okay, anything, huh? How? Then from here, don't start caring about me now. Then after that, feel free to do your TikTok part because it's exactly on the TikTok part there.
Let's try a slow.
5, 6, 7.
Don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't start caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to survive. Anything to stop me.
5, 6, 7.
Don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't start caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Throwing it all.
Okay, so I hope you guys like my first class. If there is any part that you're not very sure, not very clear, please ask me. You can DM me, you can, I don't know, if you want to set up a Zoom meeting with me, go ahead because I'm pretty free. And then
That's fun, yeah.
so thank you so much for watching. If you have been here and you have learned the choreography, not so sure about whichever part, like what you can ask me in class, please drop me a message. I'm pretty free, I can reply then. And then if you ever do this dance, choreo, please give me a tag or you video yourself and then tag me on Instagram, Facebook, or you can just send it to me if you're kind of shy. Alright, so if you have any other songs that you kind of want to learn and you want me to choreograph and if similar to this, I will do so.